Hi everyone, it's Paul Haddad, and this is the second video of our py-dss-toolkit tutorial. In this video, we're gonna cover how to create our Python project using PyCharm to control OpenDSS. So we make sure that you guys can follow along the tutorial. But before we start, I would appreciate, guys, if you can subscribe to my channel. Only 40% of you are subscribed, so I would appreciate. Thanks so much for doing that. Now, what I'm gonna do here, I assume you have OpenDSS installed in your computer. I assume you have a version of Python installed in your computer, maybe 3.11, 12, 13, whatever it's available there. And also that you have a PyCharm version in your computer. So you can actually follow me exactly what I do. Now, if you have a different Python version, no problem. If you like to use another IDE, not PyCharm, no problem as well. So I think the content and the knowledge that I'm sharing here, you can get that, using different tools. But if you want to replicate everything I do, then I recommend you guys to have the same thing I have. Okay, so with that said, I'm gonna go here and open my PyCharm. So I have my PyCharm on my computer, and in here I'm gonna create a new project. When I do that, I'm going to find a folder that I have my project. It's C, my case, right? And then Paulo Haddad, and then py-dss-toolkit tutorial. This is the folder that I will create my Python project. Okay, when I do that, here I can select a different version of Python that I can use. You can even look for other versions here if you want to. But in this case, let's use the one I have, which is 3.11. I know we now have 3.13. You can use that as well, no problem. All right, I'm gonna use the 3.11. And then here, this is the settings. When you do that, it's going to create an interface like that, okay? And then it creates for you a folder called .venv. This is the virtual environment. So this is a folder that hosts a Python interpreter, okay? It's a local one in this folder. So the packages that we install, that we're gonna use, will live here, not in your base Python, okay? All right, with that said, I can come here in the terminal and make sure I see .venv here, and then that's what I need to see. So very good. I can also come here and go settings, and then I go to project, Python interpreter, and it's gonna tell me the interpreter. You can even get the address here if you want to make sure it's where we should go, which is exactly this folder. If for some reason PyCharm doesn't do it automatically for you, you could come here and add the interpreter yourself, right? So, but again, we already have it. If you have questions, problems, leave in the description below so I can help you further. Amazing. All right, so with that said, what I'm going to do, I'm going to first create a Python file, so Python file. And I'm gonna call it maybe 0, maybe 1, setting up. Okay. All right. Very nice. So here now I'm gonna import the packages I need. So we're gonna make sure it works. So if I come here and try to import py-dss interface, right? This is a package that we need to have, and I'll show you one thing in a second. You can see that it's going to tell me there's no module named. It's because we didn't install it. So you need to come here in your terminal. Again, let me close it. Just make sure we start again. We see this .venv, and then I'm going to type pip install py-dss interface. Okay. So now it goes online and downloads it. So right now we have the latest version 2.11. Let me open here for you guys so I can come here and then py-dss interface py. Let's see if that finds easy. Yes, it's here. For some reason. Okay, gotcha. So here's the latest version we have, 2.11. Here's the description of the tool. You also can go to the source code, the GitHub somewhere here, source. Okay, so you can go there in the source. And this is the repository. One thing I want to mention here, and I'm probably going to mention in most of the videos, if you go to my website, I'll leave the link down below. There is courses that I'm providing, and one of them is about py-dss interface. So I can click here. This is a very good resource if you want to really understand how to control OpenDSS and using py-dss interface. There are 9 modules that I cover from the basics, and then exploring manipulating properties, results, creating algorithms, and also debugging and troubleshooting. So very good material. So you can I'll leave the link below if you wanna follow that course. Again, okay, that's just one thing I want to mention here. Back to where we were in our PyCharm. So here we installed py-dss interface. Now what I can do, import py-dss interface. Okay, now I have it. Okay, very nice. The other package that we need is really the toolkit. So we're gonna do pip install py-dss toolkit. Oops. All right, toolkit. Yes, let's see. Yeah, it's downloading. Now it downloads more things, right? So py-dss interface is meant to be very light. There's no third-party packages. It's just Python per Python that talks to OpenDSS. Now, py-dss toolkit is meant to really give us capability. So we need to use pandas. We need to use whatever matplotlib here. What else we have here? The other packages, NumPy, that's going to help us really leverage Python packages to work with OpenDSS. Now we can come here and say import py-dss toolkit, right? So here we now have the 2 packages. I'm importing py-dss interface and importing py-dss toolkit. You can right click here and then run it. So when you do that, you're gonna see that the process finished with exit code 0, meaning it worked. So we have those 2 packages in my virtual environment, and that's what you need to see when you run this code. So if that's what you see, we are ready to go and start the other videos. Now, if you have problems, you can use the comments below so I can help you. But let's go to the terminal and then do like pip list, right? Pip list is gonna show me all the packages I have now. So I have all the dependencies, but here, as you can see, py-dss interface 2.11 and py-dss toolkit 0.30. So those are the packages we need. And like I said, if you run this code and you see this message, then we are ready to go to the next video. So thanks so much, guys, for being here with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, any suggestions, please leave in the comment section below. Thanks so much, and see you in the next video.